There was this one time when I actually decided to have just a small talk with the interviewer while just getting ready and getting prepared for the interview. I commented on his tie. I said, "Oh, okay, that's a nice tie you have." And he gave me a look and he was like, "Oh, really? Thanks." And then he went on doing his own things. It was a bit cold to me. I was taken aback at first because I mean, okay, this guy is going to be interviewing me, but he's so cold, and I don't know how his reaction will be like during the interview later on. So just be prepared that when you're trying to make small talk, that you'll get like cold shoulders and things like that, because it's normal. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you and how you actually bounce back up from that.
I think it's very essential to have the small talk prior to the interview. One, it will actually break the ice between the interviewer and interviewee. And second, it will actually make interviewer to a certain extent understand the personality of the interviewee.
One of my memorable experiences with a very good small talk was the candidate very cleverly started talking to me about the bathroom. And she actually said that I'm very impressed with your bathroom, and that tells me a lot about your organization and the culture of your organization. And I thought that was unexpected, and that was really a very different way of breaking the ice with the interviewer, and also demonstrated to me the level of maturity of this individual, although she was a fresh graduate. So that was very impressive, and obviously she got the job.
I suppose just try to be comfortable. Don't try to overdo it. In the sense that if you overdo small talk, it shows, and it totally defeats the purpose why you're achieving it. Why you're doing it? Because it just creates an awkward environment. So if I were to give an advice, just keep it real and keep yourself comfortable at all times.
Generally on daily things, what's your hobby, or what do you guys like to do? Have you seen the new movie just came out yesterday? How was the football match last night? So little topics that can help you actually start small talk with the interviewer based on, of course, his probably preferred interests. So yeah.